Not that.
Hello, this is the Bulldozer, and welcome to another version of Whacked Out Drivers in the Nati Volume 15. And another close call. You can see we are going into the Walmart parking lot here. And as we make this turn, you're going to see they have arrows where you're supposed to be at. That car there was on the right side of the road, but take a look at this vehicle coming right at us. This is a Kia. Look, they are playing chicken with us. Folks, look at this. They were coming right at us. And I guess they thought that my wife was going to swerve, and she wasn't. She's on the right side of the road. And actually, as they went by, the female driver was even laughing, thinking it was funny. Well, folks, it's not funny. And if she would have hit us, it would have been all her fault. There is the back part of the vehicle as it is leaving the Walmart parking lot. And again, you know, just absolutely insane. Yet another reason why you need a dash cam video in your vehicle. Look, literally coming right at us. And I so wish that, you know, I was able to get her face, because this driver was laughing as she went around us and almost hit us head on. Just absolutely insane. Now, again, let's just take and watch how close she comes to the front of our vehicle. I mean, and I've got it in slow motion here. You can see really at the last second she pulls around us. And when she does, just look how close she is to the front of the vehicle, folks. I mean, I don't know what it is. It's just like, what is up with these drivers nowadays? I just put up my last video where the person almost hit his head on because they was coming in the wrong entry to the Kroger's parking lot in Delhi. And this is the Walmart on Red Bank Road. You know, it wouldn't even surprise me. This person probably didn't have a driver's license, probably no insurance. If she's driving like this, how could she have insurance? More proof you should have a dash cam in your vehicle. This is the Bulldozer. Drive safe. And I'm out of here. Here's some more videos you might be interested in. The video on the center of your screen is where we had an encounter with the Metro bus driver in downtown Cincinnati. Traffic was messed up, but he was supposed to stay behind his white line at a red light, and he came through the intersection outside his lane of travel and was trying to go around cars and was trying to cut off cars that was in our lane of travel. And if you watch this video, you'll see actually he gets so close to the back of our car you can barely see the bike rack on the front of the car. The video on the left hand side of the screen is where we were leaving Good Samaritan Hospital on the west side of town, and this dually truck blows this red light and almost T-bones this Jeep, and it's just absolutely insane. Here it comes right here, and look how fast this dually truck is coming. And he must have looked up at the last second and swerved to miss this Jeep. Otherwise, he would have flipped that Jeep. And the video on the right-hand side of your screen is where these people decide to run the red light right in front of a Delhi police officer. They was going so fast, their entire car tilted to the right, just as the Delhi police officer was coming up over that hill. It was absolutely hilarious. These people absolutely picked the wrong time to run that red light, and the thing is, they didn't even slow down and see if anybody was crossing the street or anything. Don't forget, folks, to make sure you check out the other videos on the channel. And just so everybody knows, I don't make no money doing this. This is all educational purposes. This is a tool to help educate people, giving them reasons on why they need to have a dash cam in their vehicle. Just so everybody's aware of that. I make no money doing this, okay? So don't think all these videos are put up to make money, because they're not. This video is uploaded as an educational tool. And if I'm not mistaken, that is also put in the description. This video is uploaded for educational purposes. So again, everybody, drive safe. And remember, like I said in this video, you know, your family wants to see you make it home. So keep your eyes on the road and out of the cell phones. And that text message can wait till the car is in park. This is the Bulldozer. Drive safe. And I'm out of here.
Floor, just a rebel on your own. On a bed to a bed to a bed to a trip. On a bed to a bed to a bed.